Paris, what is happening? What is happening, you all? What is happening in your neck of the woods? Blessed Monday to you, wherever you are, from our Jamaican little dwelling. Me and camera girl, we're just checking in. Been a long time, quite a few days now. So we're just checking in on you. I'm in my bedroom here, and me and camera girl, we're working on our channel to do a little improvement to our channels and all of that. You know YouTube work and all of that. So we're just checking in with this quick little video. We want to share with you today some little words that, and I hope wherever you are, everything is okay. Let me pause to say this, and that even if everything is not going as you like it, it doesn't mean that it's not going okay. It doesn't mean that if it's not going your way, it's not okay. Try to remember that, okay? Because sometimes our way is not always the right way for us. So always focus on that. So we are checking into you today with this little video. Like a little fun video. We want to share with you words that Jamaicans pronounce incorrect. And I'm in my bedroom, y'all, but there's some heavy equipment passing out on the road there, and you know all of that go. So words that Jamaicans pronounce on an everyday basis, and it seems like it's the correct pronunciation, yet it's not. So we just want to share with you probably about 10 or about 12 of them. Okay, I'm not sure if camera girl, no, some of them are like from I was back in the country, I was a small child back in the country. So as we go along, if you know anything, if you ever hear them as Jamaicans, maybe those who are not Jamaicans might not understand, but you can still tug along and watch. That is how, you know, it's just like a little part of your culture. It's not the correct way, but that's how it's pronounced. Even though we know the correct way, we just, you see what I'm saying? It just becomes a norm. So we want to share with you. And you too, if there are some that you know from you were in Jamaica, yes, if you are watching from in Jamaica, big up yourself. We are Jamaicans. If you are Jamaican watching this little video right now, big up yourself. And wherever you are watching this video from on the Jamaican Debbie Deb stream, it's always a blessed. It's just blessings from us. And big up yourself anywhere you are at. So let's proceed. You're not saying hi to the Paris then, camera girl?
Not everybody.
Just so? Okay, so here we go. The first, very first one. Since I was a child until now, and I don't think it ever change. X-ray. I have one X-ray for go do, you know. I have one X-ray for go do. Jamaicans say X-ray, X-T-R-A-Y, and you all know the correct word is X-ray. X-ray. But because when I was a small child, I thought the correct word was X-ray. It's when, you know, you started going to school and you're becoming, you know, bigger, you're learning and all of that. Those words were taught to us and we learned to pronounce them. But Jamaicans always say X-ray. Yeah, man, me have one X-ray for go do. But we know the correct word is X-ray. Another prevalent one, chocolate. Chocolate. Me like chocolate, you know. Me love chocolate. The correct word, you know, is chocolate. But we have to say something different, okay? It's funny, you know, sometimes. Chocolate. Yeah, man. Me like the chocolate, you know. But the correct word is chocolate. Okay. Number 3. Tablets. Tablets. But someone go down to the doctor, you say, and I want all the tablets in, give me, you know. Tablets. Tablets. Yet still we say, me say one whole heap of tablets in game if you take it up. I don't know when them the tablets are go done. Tablets. And eulogy. Y'all know something. Eulogy is like a little thing about the person that has passed on at the funeral. Use the person read like, you know, like a life story thing. I'm not sure if it's like a past of the person that the deceased person. So it's eulogy. Who ever read the elegy? Who read the elegy? I've heard it so many times. If you have ever heard that one, please comment. I don't know who them say to read the elegy. Most times it's coming like from a family. I don't know. I not read the elegy. I not read the elegy. Eulogy. And oh, this one I have to do also like with the deceased person, postmortem. So like you know somebody have a family member pass and say, so when is the funeral? Well, we don't make up our mind yet, you know, we don't really make up our mind yet because the postmortem have to do. When the postmortem do, we know where we are do from that. After the postmortem do, they're talking about the postmortem. Postmortem. We don't know what the postmortem are gonna do. After the postmortem do, they will know where we are do. Postmortem is the correct word.
Mortem.
Mortem. I'm sorry. Now, this one me have to put a big circle around it because it was like about 3 years ago I heard this one. Well, 3 to 4 years ago. So the person was somebody when the person was talking to me, a real elderly person, I say, me used to have one dog, you know, I said the dog him not easy, you know. No other dog in the yard could rule him. When you see him go for man a claw, the next dog then. When you see him a man a claw, the next dog then. That person is trying to use the word massacre. Massacre. And all the way turn it into manaclaw. Manaclaw. Massacre. If you have ever heard that one, please comment, Paris. Please comment. That's how we do it. Okay. Now, this other one, this is so prevalent too. Which consequence? Which consequence? I don't know which consequence that happen. Which consequence? Because me know say over that consequence there. Constituency. They are trying to say the word constituency, but it end up being consequence. Real Jamaica thing. If you have ever heard that one, please comment. Consequency instead of constituency. And teed. Me say the baby just a teed and me say a teed, the baby a teed, you know. The baby a teed. Teed, she a teed, man. That's why she's so miserable. Me say a teed, she a teed. Teeth, the baby's teething.
Teething.
Teething. Teething?
Teething.
Teething.
It's teething.
The teething is young teeth. Please, Parry.
Teething.
Teething?
Yes.
I say teething.
The baby's teething.
But T-E-E-T-H-I-N-G, now is the same thing as, what is the correct word?
Teething.
Spell it.
T-E-E-T-H-I-N-G.
It's teething is the same thing as teething. Mr. Teething or teething, T-E-E-T, anyway.
But the pronunciation is teething.
Well, whatever I pronounce, it is T-E-E-T-H-I-N-G, teething. Right? Well, correct, typical Jamaicans, the baby are teed, the baby teething. Okay? Alright, I mean, know almost every single mothers, all of you on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train who are original Jamaicans, you say it, me say it, at some point even though you know the correct thing, I am a victim. I teed the baby, I teed. Please comment. Now, this one was like from I was small in the country. Me say yes. Him nearly drowned it, you know. Him go round a river with the rest of the people them and him nearly drowned it round there. If me say them other one never round, they would have drowned it. Drowned. The word they are looking for is drowned, but it end up being drowned.
So why the extra E?
I don't know, and we don't care. Okay. Now, this is another one from the country. Me say, I have a piece of tambourine whip here, wait for you, see? I have a piece of tambourine whip. Tambourine. The correct word is tambourine. But a tambourine it end up being. Comment you all of you who know these. Please leave a comment in the comment section for us. Let us, and if you know any other ones outside of this, please leave us one. We welcome it. You know that. And these three have to do with food, and I heard them. I'm not sure much camera girl would know about them. Basil. No, let me give you the funny pronunciation. Nunobazi.
Or basil.
Nunobazi. That's what they would call it in the country. Nunobazi. It was like quite a few years now. When I started like, as you know, going off big and broad into this cooking thing and all of that. And I said to myself, Lord Jesus, when we used to that country and the little bush they would grow low and mama used to pick it and mama nuna bazi. And then one of my friend who is upstate there now, she said, Debbie, you know, say basil when we that country. When we that country and they see it basil and what we used to call nuna bazi, you know. And we say yes, we realize that. So basil and we turn it in a nuna bazi. Those were primitive ones. Now tambric. Tambric. Simple one. Turmeric. That one had me too. That one had me until a few years ago. I said turmeric and then it wrapped back to me and said, oh Lord, this is what my mother used to talk about. Go over Miss so and so go ask her. She said, tell her to send a piece of tambric and give me. Because let me tell you something, turmeric is very good. Real good. I think at that time when she was sending me for it, she would use it like if anybody have a cut. You know, you have a cut and it turns like a miserable sore that wouldn't get better. Go tell Miss Ladies if she have better tell me I beg her a piece of tambric. Turmeric. Now this is the last one. Nata. Nata. It is a natto. Go over, go look round that round back round this. So go round so and so. They have one nata tree round there. Go look if you see any panny. A natto. A natto seeds, you know what we're talking about? A natto. So Paris, I hope you have
Mr. Too.
You have two?
Yeah.
Share it with the Paris.
So usually out here you always say some people say bubble gum.
Okay, then I feel that fear era. You do that.
Usually, like sometimes, you know, you're on the road or so you go to the shop and you hear somebody say, someone bubble gum. But it's bubble gum, not bubble gum. And then now
Oh, certificate.
Yeah, and it's certificate.
Certificate. But oh, that one is a good one. That's a good one, camera girl. It is so well known. Certificate. Yeah, man, him getting certificate. Him done, man. Him done. Him getting certificate. Certificate. And this other one came back to me. Hey, Mr. D, you don't have no sachets.
No, that's actually still used though.
Eh?
That's actually still used.
Yes, but most of these, all of these are still being used. Sausage. Then, you know, you go to the shop and they say, Mr. D, because in Jamaica, I think I did this before, you know. Once in Jamaica, your name is not known. Most times, like in the city, you are, if you're a male, once a person don't know your name, you automatically name Mr. D. Mr. D, and if you're a male, if you're a female, it's Miss Lady. That's Jamaica. If you are not known by name in the city to people, you are Miss Lady. And if you're a male and your name is not known to them, you are Mr. D. Mr. D, you know, sachets. I want two in a sachets. And this one, a few years ago, I was downtown in one of those Chinese wholesale. And that one had me, I couldn't even laugh. I couldn't even laugh. This one was just so dumb. And in Jamaica, all the Chinese, they call them Miss Chin. Miss Chin. Each wholesaler going, they would just address the Chinese ladies in there as Miss Chin and Mr. Chin. Miss Chin, how much for the cornflakes? Are you selling cornflakes them? Cornflakes. That one, I couldn't even laugh because it was just dumb. Really dumb, you all. Miss Chin, how much for the cornflakes? Are you selling cornflakes them? Someone was like, seriously? That one was so new. So, you have any more camera girl? There are lots and lots more, but these are like some really, and we have more. We have more. Okay. Okay. This one now was, honestly, this one had me too. This one was from a teacher. We don't have no more snacks at the tuck shop. We don't have no more snacks at the tuck shop. Snacks finish. Snacks. 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 So, if you have ever heard that one, or any of these, you're familiar as a Jamaican now, or before, please comment, leave your comments below. We have shared this with you. I hope you like this little different type of video. We have lots more coming. We not forgot the back then story them. We have them coming. We don't forget them. You might be just be so surprised. So let me take this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers right here on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. We are growing slowly but surely. Thank you so much. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your all incorporation inside this little the channel here in the comment section. You're so warm. Sometimes when I read the comments, it's like I'm putting a face to each name. It's like I'm knowing everybody. It is so at home when I go to the comment section. It is so at home. And sometimes, please forgive me, sometimes I'm a little late on the comments. Because you know it goes sometimes. You have other little things to turn to. Now the eat is on. How is the eat where you are? How is it? It is. I can't explain. I can't explain. All I'm saying, if you come into Jamaica in the near future, just pack tropical. That's all I can say. I don't know how tropical you can pack for this eat really not affect you. But let us try our best to do, and make the best of it, because we can't do no better. But it's really hot. But even though it's so hot, we give thanks for life, because there's one who is bigger than us. We don't have no control over it. So if you are in the eat like me, just try to keep yourself real hydrated and all of that. And thank you once more for your comments. Thank you for growing with us. Those of you who were there from me with us from the very first video, the intro to the Jamaican Debbie Debs, thank you so much. Those of you who are just joining us and you're taking the time out to go back to our old videos and to watch and to come up to time and to be commenting now, I so appreciate it. I always reply to every single comments as long as it can be replied to, and you have stated it in a principled matter. I always do, but I ask for forgiveness. Sometimes I'm a bit late, and we don't know it go a long time. So we want to say thank you so much. We're gonna sign off right now from off of the train here. I hope you have liked what we did, and if you did enjoy it, or if you do enjoy it, please leave your comments below. Remember to hit us up with one of the mispronounced words if you don't think are too. Thank you so much. Come on, girl, what do you want to say?
Thank you for watching our video and for supporting us as well.
And you don't have anything to say? When will they see you again? What do you have next plan for them?
Well, next I have a little video of my own, like
talk low.
I don't want to tell them as yet.
Yes.
I don't want to tell you as
Okay.
yet. But the next video after this one that you will see will be my video. It's a little thing that I decided to do. It's nothing too extra. It's just a little something. So when you guys see it, you'll see it.
Okay, so keep your notifications on. Those who are not getting notifications, we upload. Sometimes we might be a little slow on the Jamaican Debbie Debs right here in uploading, but we are working on this, and you'll see the difference in a matter of days. So remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below and all of that. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. We never leave without sharing this with you. Never let the evil around you. Don't let it take control of you. What they're supposed to do, camera girl?
Stay on top of things.